Now we have a rainstorm, y'all. It's raining cats and dogs out here. Look at the sky, how dark it is up there. This is what it looks like when we get these bad storms out here. Lots of rain. Lots of rain. Hear the thunder roar. It's quiet though and still as the rain begins to fall. We needed the rain after 3 or 4 days in the 100-degree temperatures. Something about the rain that's so calming and peaceful. The wind is up just a little bit. If you look closely, you can see the trees moving over there. Hear the thunder roar. And that's the rainstorm.